ABAP has a hidden team of helpers, variables that automatically keep track of everything happening in your program. From the current date and time to who's running the code, they're always working in the background. These are called system fields, and once you master them, you'll code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. System fields in ABAP are special variables that are built into the system itself. You don't have to create them, they're always ready. They all start with the letters psi, and each one has a specific job. Think of them as little reporters constantly telling you what's going on inside your program, whether a database fetch worked, which user is logged in, or what the system date is. Current date and time. There are system fields that instantly give you today's date and the exact time, perfect for logging activities, tracking transactions, or time-stamping important actions. User information. Another system field tells you exactly who is running the program. This is extremely useful for personalization, security checks, or generating user-specific reports. Operation results. Some system fields automatically show whether your last operation was successful. For example, after you search for data, the system will quietly record whether it found a match or not. This helps you decide what to do next without writing extra checks. Table position tracking. When you're processing lists or tables, there's even a system field that tells you your current position in the data. It's like a pointer guiding you through each step. Never try to change system fields manually. They are controlled by the system for accuracy. Always check the system's success indicator after database operations to avoid unexpected results. Use system-provided date and time instead of hard-coding values. This ensures your program works correctly in all environments. So the next time you write ABAP, remember, system fields are your built-in assistants. They quietly handle important details, so you can focus on solving bigger problems. Which system field do you use the most? Share it in the comments. I'll reply to your answer. If this was helpful, click like, subscribe to Code ABAP, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more smart ABAP tips. Until next time, keep coding smart, not hard.